Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We have a brick wall that is 6 meters high, 7 meters wide, and 31 centimeters thick. The thermoconductivity of brick is 0.69 watts per meter per degree Celsius. The inner wall surface is kept at 21 degrees Celsius. The outer wall surface is 6 degrees Celsius. Calculate the rate of heat transfer through the wall in watts. Step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. So we got this wall. It's in these dimensions. The wall inside is 21 degrees Celsius. The one outside is 6 degrees, that's a typo, apologies, and it's 31 centimeters thick. Step 2, list all the given variables, find the unknown. So we don't need to go over the given variables, it's shown both in the free body diagram and in the question. So the unknown is the heat transfer rate, so it will be capital Q dot, and in this case it will be conduction because the wall acts as a medium and the change in temperature is going through the wall. Okay, so step 3, find the heat transfer formula. So capital Q dot is equal to K multiplied by A multiplied by the change in T divided by L. So K is your thermoconductivity, A is area, and delta T is the change in temperature, L is the thickness. Don't get confused with height or width. That is used for the area. So in this case, the thickness is the L length. That's the tricky bit where most students get confused. Alright, so step 4, we just plug and play. So we got 0.69 watts per meter per degree Celsius. And then our area is 6 meters by 7 meters. So that is height times width. And then we've got 21 minus 6 degrees. That's the change in temperature. And then our wall thickness is our length between the two sides. Alright, so we will get 1402.26 watts for the heat transfer rate, where the temperature goes through one end to the other. Disclaimers: the method is correct, however, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Before we leave, I highly encourage you to solve this question, but more importantly, I also recommend that you save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. If you never used snipping tool before, follow these instructions. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not there, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open up the program. Once open, click on the video option, click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording, save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.